Welcome students. In this video, we are going to start Lesson 6 Special Effects in MS PowerPoint 2010. This video is first part of Lesson 6. Special Effects in MS PowerPoint 2010. We know how to create a PowerPoint presentation. A PowerPoint template is a blueprint of a slide or group of slides. Templates contain layouts, theme colors, theme fonts, theme effects, background styles, and even content. Applying built-in templates. MS PowerPoint 2010 provides different types of free built-in templates. We can also create custom template of our own, store, reuse and share those templates for various presentations. The desired templates can be searched by selecting File tab and selecting New option in PowerPoint. The steps to apply a built-in template into a presentation are: first, select File tab and click New option. The Available Templates and Themes window opens. Second, choose and double-click the desired template from Office.com Templates section. Various template design samples appear on the desired template. Third, select and double-click a desired sample. The desired template gets inserted into the presentation. Now let us understand how we can use built-in templates in MS PowerPoint. To do so, first of all, we will open PowerPoint. Now, in PowerPoint, we will go to the File tab. Please pay attention over the mouse pointer and look that it is on File tab. We will click on File tab. After clicking on File tab, we can see a menu here. In this orange color pane, we can see a menu. Now, from this menu, we will click on New option. Now, after clicking on New option, you can see the built-in templates available in MS PowerPoint. Now, from these built-in template, we can select any of the template of our choice. Apart from these templates, if we need to search for any particular template, that we can do by using this search box. We can see here search for online templates and themes. By using this option, when we are connected to internet, we can search for any of the template available online. Right now, we will select a template from here itself. Now, after selecting the template, a small dialog box will appear. From that dialog box, we can further select themes. And after selecting theme, we will click on Create button. After clicking on Create button, MS PowerPoint window will appear with the same built-in template that we have selected. So this is how we can apply a ready-made built-in template in MS PowerPoint. Next, applying themes. A theme provides a set of predefined layouts that contain colors, fonts, and effects. Themes are defined by a master slide They include background design, color schemes, fonts, effects to be applied on the text, and objects of a slide. The steps to apply a built-in theme in MS PowerPoint 2010 are: first, open a presentation and select the Design tab. Built-in themes appear as a thumbnails from the Themes group. Second, click on the desired theme. The theme becomes the master slide of a presentation. Now let us understand how we can apply different themes in a presentation. To do so, first of all, we will open a presentation. After opening a presentation, we will click on the Design tab. After clicking on Design tab, we can see the themes appearing in the form of thumbnails. Here we can see all the themes are appearing in the form of thumbnails. After selecting a theme, we will click on the theme that we want, and if we wish to see more themes available, we will click on the drop down arrow, and after clicking on drop down arrow, we can see the different types of themes available in PowerPoint. After selecting a theme, we will click on the theme, and after clicking, the same theme will be applied to all the slides available in presentation. So this is how we can use different themes. That's all for this video. Thank you.